Hi, my name is Vaughn from Jaggers Volkswagen. I'm going to be going over the very nice shift knob that comes in the ID.4. So, your park assist would be right here. When you're going to go through the gears, you would kind of just flip the switch up. Once you go through B is going to show you pretty much. So when you get off the gas, the car will automatically brake for itself. And then you have your neutral, your reverse, and the beautiful large backup camera screen right there with all of your sensors that go through.